Hi, welcome to me. I'm your host, Mr. So what we're going to do today, we'll get your seeds here, you get your little pots. There they go. You get them, you can just put them like that. It's going to be seeds, just keep them there. Get your soil. I like to
Oh shit. Okay.
that sometimes helps get the bag open. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a little bit of like the insides and the guts, the soil. We're going to get the soil out of the body, the bag. And we're just
Are you alright, man?
Yeah,
Are you okay?
Yeah, this is just the gardening show.
It's not a show.
Okay, we got it. Today we're going to do cauliflower. But the most important thing is to read the instructions.
Okay.
Foil packed for freshness. We say no to GMO. 065 South Windsor, New South Wales. Well, basically that's telling you the place where you want to be when you're in the zone to plant the plant. So I'm going to start by opening the packet of seeds. It says to sow into soil. So there's a packet inside the packet. Got to scuffle it around, and then you quickly just got to do that every time you open up the pack, really. That's good. Because this is basically plant semen. Not many people think about that. That's life, man. See the little semens, they're running around. We're gonna get these little things, and we're just gonna 1/2 inch deep if you live in the Americas. But we live in Australia, so we're gonna say 1/2 inch. Centimeters. Put that in there. Drop. Take it. Something centimeters. I just impregnated this soil.
Planted.
Oh yeah, that's true. We gotta find these other little plant semens. Yeah.
Seeds.
Yeah. Seeds. You're right. So plop that there. I don't know. Did I just do that one? I'm getting angry. All right. That's all planted. Put that on there. Yeah.
So simple.
Put them up here.
Yep.
Oh, I forgot to put my gloves on. It's okay, you can put them on after you've planted everything. You can just do anything you really want. Now that you've got your gloves on, just do anything.
Okay.
So I might just see what Paulie's up to.
Alright.
Yeah. Paulie's not in. And that's this week's year of gardening with Mr. Plantman. Thanks for sticking around.